6. Going dark. Oh god! Ah! Ah!
Oh, he's upside down!
Ah!
Oh my god!
Ah! What's happening?
3, 2, 1, action!
Help me! Help
Ah!
me! It's
Oh my
sucking
God.
my bones. Ah! Help me!
Oh my god,
son
how
of
much
a
damage are you
bitch.
taking?
Ah!
How much damage?
Please! Please!
He's dead!
I threw the camera.
Oh my god!
Get me out of here!
Oh my god, he's groping you! He's grabbing your cock!
Get me!
It killed him. No! That thing's pretty fucking grippy though. And there I was, all alone. Do you know who I am? Yo, there's a skull. Ah! No, trap dog! Fuck! Fuck! Shit! Fuck! Fuck! Ah! Oh my god! Oh Jesus Christ! The trees are speaking binary! It's time to get the fuck out of here! Alright, well, that was eventful. My best friend died again. I'm not permanently scarred or anything. I don't have any form of trauma, PTSD, or anxiety or depression. Goodbye, guys.